a star, rolling like a VIP. You rock the talent hard, and it's everything you'll ever need. Yeah, you're living like a rock star, baby. Yeah, you're living like a rock star, baby. You're living like a rock star, baby.
Welcome to Coreum Concepts. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. Got a special episode here. We're going to be leaving the Coreum network and looking at the Ape Runners project by DGen Titans. They are in fact a partner of Core Council, hence the relation and my interest in the project. But once I did look into it, it was quite interesting in fact. So I purchased a few apes so far. Really like the tokenomics and the team and what they have planned ahead. Lots of great energy. So just thought I'd do a quick video to explain what Ape Runners is, what the Ordinals the projects are on the Bitcoin network. It's all kind of been new to me. Had to get my first Bitcoin wallet and all that. So anyways, I just thought I'd share the process for those of you that, like me, haven't dabbled much in the Bitcoin area or in fact the NFT space as a whole. So anyways, Ape Runners here, just a little bit about it. Got 3,000 unique original apes on the Bitcoin network. It's founded by DGen Titans, a partner of Core Council. More to be announced on that soon. Ape Runners is going to have its own token called DGen X. Goes by the ticker DGNX. It's a community-based token powering DGen nature and project. The Ape Runners offers a range of incentives and use cases to its holders with a total supply of 21 million. DGenX holders can collect exclusive merchandise, access exclusive drops, participate in community initiatives, mint future collections, enjoy special discounts on future platforms, utilize our token in our upcoming poker game. By holding and utilizing DGenX, users contribute to the ecosystem while benefiting from unique opportunities and rewards. Join us as we shape the future of DGenX and empower our community. Now, it's the tokenomics of this thing that excited me because it's quite impressive what they plan on doing with the tokenomics here. Half of the DGenX token supply will be airdropped to the Ape Runners community holders. Holders will receive about 3,500 tokens per ape. Whitelist partners will receive 1,260 tokens per allocation. The DGenX token fuels the growth of the Ape Runners project and will be a thriving part of a growing ecosystem to be built by the DGen Titans. The Ape Runners will be the forefront of the Web3 conglomerate. The total supply is 21 million. The holder airdrops 10.5 million. Whitelist and partners allocated 6.3 million. And the public sale of 4.2 million. So it's a pretty interesting tokenomics. 3,500 tokens per Ape Runner. So that could put you in a pretty good position should those grow in value, because like I said, Bitcoin is supposed to be a store of value. So this is my way of stacking some Satoshis, I guess you can say. So exciting project, exciting tokenomics, and a lot of really cool things ahead. So check out the Ape Runners. What are Bitcoin Ordinals? It's a protocol that allows individual Satoshis, referred to as sats, in Bitcoin blockchain to be assigned a unique identifier and transacted with extra data attached. A Satoshi is the smallest unit of Bitcoin currency, and there are 100 million Satoshis in a single Bitcoin. The protocol, which is credited to Casey Rodarmore, effectively allows non-fungible tokens to be created directly on the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin NFTs may also be referred to as ordinal NFTs. Until recently, Bitcoins were fungible, and one Satoshi on a blockchain could not be differentiated from another. Rodamor's protocol changed that by taking advantage of two updates to the original Bitcoin protocol, the SegWit and the Taproot. Taproot introduced a new type of Bitcoin address format that the Bitcoin Ordinals protocol uses to identify specific Satoshis. So the Ordinal NFTs are unique digital assets that are authenticated on the blockchain to protect the creator's intellectual property. NFTs on Ethereum or Solana blockchains can only reference metadata that documents ownership and authenticity for a specific digital asset. The metadata itself is stored off-chain in a separate file. In contrast, ordinal NFTs can also store the digital asset itself on-chain within a transaction's witness data. To create an ordinal NFT, the user must first send an ordinal SAT to a Taproot-compatible wallet and include or inscribe data and metadata as part of the transaction. Once mined, the inscription is permanently etched onto the first Satoshi of the transaction's initial output. The initial process requires running a Bitcoin node, syncing the entire Bitcoin blockchain, and using command line interfaces, all of which can be daunting tasks for non-technical users. With the advent of no-code ordinal mining applications, however, even less technically proficient users can upload content for inscriptions and create ordinal NFTs. Controversy has sparked a lot of debate within the crypto community. Critics argue that inscribed Satoshi ordinals use block space inefficiently and will ultimately lead to increased Bitcoin transaction fees and slower transaction times for all users on the network. That's hard to imagine, but it could be possible. Proponents of Bitcoin ordinals, however, are interested in how the protocol can be used to expand Bitcoin's use beyond financial transactions. In addition to creating ordinal NFTs, for example, the protocol could potentially be used to attach ordinal Satoshis to individual security tokens or stablecoins, enable Bitcoin smart contracts, and introduce the cryptocurrency to a broader audience. I think it's already successfully done that. So it's got me into Bitcoin, for crying out loud. Something I never really thought I'd do at this stage of the game. I missed it out on it early on. Wanted to buy in, but I didn't. And, well, we all know what happened since then. But since then, I found, just newer technology that was a lot faster and cheaper. And so at that point, it was hard for me to go to Bitcoin. Although I do see its store of value, I was preferring to invest in digital ledger technology that was low cost, low fees. Forbes put out a article here, Bitcoin ordinals are the next big thing in crypto. I'll just play that real quick.
By Clem Chambers. The hot new thing in crypto are ordinals. In a nutshell, an ordinal is a piece of information written to the Bitcoin blockchain and referenced by a unique address also held in the blockchain data structure. Sounds similar to a non-fungible token, NFT, but an NFT is a token that references a piece of data somewhere else on the internet like IPFS, Interplanetary File System, which is the actual data. It might be somewhere else, but the trouble is, if the file or its storage goes away, then the NFT data is gone, only leaving the token pointing to nothing. This means Ether ETH minus 0.4% could be doing its thing in 100 years, but the bored monkeys or punks may have long since evaporated in a cloud of bit decay. An ordinal is actually stored in a Bitcoin block, so while Bitcoin BTC minus 1.2% or any of its forks live, the data is there. The only way for it to vanish is for Bitcoin to stop existing and for every instance of the blockchain to be erased. That is nigh on impossible. All sorts of things are being stored up to the limit of 4 megabytes of information, but storage is not cheap as it has to be mined into the blockchain. I paid to mine a 25,000 byte image into Bitcoin and it cost $115, so megabytes are going to cost thousands. The attraction is the fact that the ordinal of the art piece I created will never disappear, which is quite strong. If you want to go look, it's ordinal 8,041,535. When I visited the Miami blockchain show on May 19th, there were 8 million ordinals in existence, and 4 days later there are 9 million. Ordinals are exploding. This is or maybe isn't great news for Bitcoin. It has certainly exploded transaction fees. Here is a chart. Many Bitcoin maxis aren't a fan of this fun stuff. Bitcoin is their digital gold. Bitcoin is for serious economic purposes, not frog pictures. It's like taking gold and making trinkets out of it. Oh wait, or. However, the concern is real. If there is huge value in storing things like pictures and text in the Bitcoin blockchain, it will drive up the cost of financial transactions, and that seems like a threat. Alternatively, it will drive low-value transactions off Bitcoin and onto Layer 2 solutions in the same way Polygon Matic minus 3.9% serves that purpose for Ethereum. Then again, ordinals may be a fad doomed to die out. However, that is not going to happen. More likely, ordinals will spark a new wave for Bitcoin where it goes beyond its previous incarnation while still remaining the layer 0 of all crypto. The fact transaction levels have shot up, driving a bonus for miners, many of who were struggling until a sudden flow of ordinal fees came pouring in, should be enough to prove that ordinals are a breakthrough, not a bane. Ordinals are another rabbit hole to fall down, and one I expect to be extremely fruitful, and there is a new land grab underway. Are ordinals going to be a huge financial opportunity?
Well, there's a lot going on already, that's for sure. There's massive demand moving to it. It's exciting to see that degen titans have seen that and got themselves over onto Magic Eden. You can see this is their collection here. Floors just under 0.002. Total volume 0.92. You got 278 listed, because I previously bought one, and 395 different owners. 3,000 total supply. And there's my posse there. So pretty happy about that one. Got number 2. Got number 32. So yeah, I got this one listed for sale. So that's it, guys. That's how to find your ape runners on Magic Eden. I'm going to show you guys how to purchase one. Did a little recording of picking up this last one here. Hope that's helpful. It's not financial advice, just documenting my journey through crypto and the NFT space, and now into Bitcoin. Thank you for all your support. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment below. Help me get through the algorithms, grow this channel. Got some great prizes to give away when we hit 1,000 subscribers. We're getting there slowly but surely. Peace and prosperity to all. Okay, we're going to go through the process of purchasing an ape runner on Magic Eden. First of all, when you get to the main page, Magic Eden Ordinals, it runs several different networks here, so you want to make sure you're on the Bitcoin network. There's obviously Matic, Ethereum, Solana, but we want the Bitcoin. Want us to do a search, put in ape runners. So as you can see, the floor is currently sitting at 0.001999. Total volume is 0.9182, so getting ever closer to that 1 Bitcoin volume. Great to see. This project sold out in like 3 days. You can see there's 395 owners, 3,000 total supply. There's currently 279 listed. Let's see if we can pick this guy up right here, 317. Look at number 32 here. Let's get this guy. Go over here, hit buy now. Submitting the transaction. As you can see here, here's your inscription ID, inscription number. You can see it was created. Somebody listed for 0.005 and change your listing to 0.002. So I'm going to grab it. It's the first 100. 32. Why not? Okay, we got our ape. Come here to the buy now button. Click the buy now. Submitting your transaction. Here's the transaction. Sign it. Transaction submitted successfully. Check back on this page later. And it's done. Just that easy. Let's go see if we can scoop another one. I was looking at this guy right here. Let's go for that one. Same thing. Buy it now. Oh, my transfer hasn't got here yet. The bloody Bitcoin network. My transfer hasn't got here. That's why I don't have enough for this transaction. I'll have to come back in a few minutes and check in once my transaction gets over here. I don't have a whole bunch of Bitcoin. I didn't buy Bitcoin until I bought this ape runner. Well, not this ape runner, but my first ape runner here about a week ago. We'll have to wait for that transaction to come through. Sorry, guys. I'm used to XRP where it's just like boom, boom, boom. Fast as you hit that button, 3 seconds, you're good. And now the Coreum network's even faster, 1.7 seconds. But a little spoiled. But anyways, we'll wait for that transaction to come through. We're going to try and pick up this guy here too. I like the Bitcoin background. Nice plain ape, not much going on. We'll check the rarities all later. But anyways, guys, just wanted to show you how to buy one on Magic Eden. Super slick. If you got a Bitcoin address, hook it up to this. Good to go. I use Unisat. Seems to work pretty good. The one thing I did see somewhere about these apes, you want to make sure your Bitcoin address has got the BC1 as a start. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Peace and prosperity to you all.
How do you go from this tranquility to that violence?
I usually take the Ferrari.